guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a holiday gift guide from Amazon under $100. A lot of these gift ideas are even going to be under $50 and they're going to be for everyone, any member of your family, friend, significant other. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so starting off with a gift that can be for anyone, but especially somebody who loves to cook or somebody who likes to have like mini home projects, something that's really easy to maintain. And this is an indoor home garden. It comes with 3 herb planters. You can get basil plants, any other herbs you would like. It also comes in a few different colors. So if you know this person's kitchen decor or kitchen style, kitchen color scheme, you can get it in different colors for just under $100. This is a perfect gift for somebody who does want to be a gardener, somebody who loves kind of outdoorsy things as well, but maybe they live in an apartment or like a high-rise apartment where you are not going to have any kind of garden going on. This is a perfect gift for that because it's just bringing kind of the outdoors in. It's a very small garden, easy to maintain, and if they love to cook, they will love this. So next up, this is a skincare set for men from the brand Jack Black. I buy my husband gifts from this brand every year. I recently got him something for his birthday and I will probably get him even more for Christmas. So this set retails for $35. It's a $57 value. It comes with a cleanser, moisturizer, lip balm, and facial exfoliator. And they also look really sleek and they're fairly affordable for the look and like luxury feel of them. So just $35, this is perfect for like any man in your life, significant other, dad, friend, whoever. And then next, this is something that both my husband and I love. We have maybe over a dozen of, and they are Yeti mugs. I have 2 of them right here. They come up with lids. We never use them with lids because we mostly just drink coffee and stuff at home, but they come with lids that are great for just being out and about, traveling, to put in your car. They keep your coffee hot for a very long time. They come in a ton of different colors. On Amazon, they range between like $30 and a little over $40 depending on the color. We have had these for years. My husband is like subscribed to their email list and knows when new colors come out. So we basically have a collection of all different colors. So you can definitely pick out somebody's favorite color. You can get a few of these as well, but I always see recommendations of like those smart mugs that have like a warming device. They are like $100. I'm like, why would you get that when you could just get these, or you can put them in the dishwasher. They're really easy to just keep in your house, travel with. They come with a lid. So definitely recommend these mugs. We don't really use other mugs. I honestly, my like ceramic and more like maybe aesthetic mugs, I mostly just use for videos as like a prop. But these are my favorite mugs for just everyday use. So next, this is another food related product, and it is a cheese board that comes with knives and just different items for hosting, or if you just want to make cheese boards at home. I do this all the time and I always make my cheese boards look fancy, even if they're just for me, because they make me so happy. So this one is just under $60 right now. It comes with like everything you would need for like hosting maybe like 4 or 5 people. And if you want to get this ahead of time for yourself to maybe host for the holidays, this would be perfect as well. I do have a whole hosting essentials idea list on my Amazon too that I will link below if you want different ideas for different things for party supplies for the holiday season. All right, so next, this is my favorite item on this list, and these are some UGG slippers, specifically this pair I have right here that I purchased for myself last month. It was a birthday present from me to me. I had been wanting them for so long, and I have gone through so many slippers, just like more affordable Amazon slippers over the years. And when I put these on, it makes such a difference, especially if you have like any back pain, or like if you work out a lot and you're sore often. Like these are so comfy. These might just be specific problems for me, but I love wearing slippers every day in my house. I always wear like some kind of house shoe. I have like sandals that I wear at home in the spring and summertime. Let me know if you guys do that too. But I love wearing house shoes, and these are my house shoes. And then these are the bottoms. They have a really good grip to them, so you're not gonna slip. I love them so much because they actually stay on your foot. They're super comfy. I guess you can wear them out if you want to, but I wouldn't. I would probably get other Uggs for that, but these are my favorite purchase of probably the last several months. I really can't think of other things that have made me happier that I purchased like in a while. Next up, this is on my personal wish list, something that I have been wanting for a very long time, and it is a pan from Caraway. You can obviously get a full set of pans that are much pricier, but if your budget is under $100, their frying pans are $85.50, and I feel like that's kind of like a standard pan for everyday use. Their saute pans are a little bit pricier, just around 120 bucks if you want to get somebody a saute pan as well, or instead. Those are a few different options, and they come in a ton of colors. I have heard nothing but good reviews about these pans. I love the kind of aesthetic looking pans. So next up, this is another item that is on my personal holiday wish list, and it's a weighted blanket, like a faux fur weighted blanket. I feel like so many weighted blankets look not pretty. So when I found this one, I was so excited because that's the number one thing that has stopped me from purchasing a weighted blanket, that they always do not match my decor. They always look very practical, but not cozy and not decorative. So these come in a few different colors, just around $55. They come in different sizes also. So it's perfect for decor and also for comfort. Okay, next up, this is one of my favorite items I have in my home that I've been recommending for years. They are these wine glasses. I first purchased these maybe 2018, 2019, and I've purchased multiple sets over the years just to have for entertaining, just if we have several glasses throughout the week. I use these for wine, for all types of wine. I'm really into orange wine right now. I use them for that, for red wine, white, rosé, and then I also just love to use these in general for drinks. So this specific set is about $42 for a pack of 4. You can get a 2-pack, a 6-pack, and also this brand has like these champagne flutes that I want to get next. These are really high quality. They're not super fragile. They're not going to crack just by holding them or anything. So they are very sturdy glasses that I've had for years. I do hand wash them. So that is the one little high maintenance thing with them. I also have the Yeti wine glasses. Those are kind of my more go-to every day, but when I want to have like kind of more of an aesthetic moment, which happens at least weekly, I reach for these wine glasses. Next up, sticking with the drink category, we have an electric kettle. This one is cool because it has different settings for different types of tea that you might be drinking. You can customize when it goes on, when it goes off, and it is just under $70, and it comes in black and silver. Perfect for anyone you know who's a tea drinker. All of these gifts are also items that you could pair with other things, like the wine bottle with the wine glasses, tea with the tea kettle, or some glassware or mugs or something. Maybe the Yeti mug with the tea and the tea kettle. All of these you can kind of layer the gifts depending on your budget, or if you just want to kind of go for that higher ticket item, you could get the tea kettle, and I would be very happy with that. I would want one very much. And then next up, this is another item I have in my home. I actually got it for my birthday last year, and this is such a cool product, especially if you like home items and kind of techie products, well, really low maintenance techie products. This is a Pura Home fragrance diffuser. So basically think of your Glade plug-in, but totally elevated, and it is a little pricier. The set is about $85, but It is totally worth it because you can replace the different scents throughout the year. It has a nightlight feature and it has an app that you can set the timer of when you want these scents to diffuse. So I will program mine a little bit before my alarm goes off in the morning. So you wake up to the scent of whatever you want to diffuse. I had a scent that was like kind of coffee scented, like a coffee vanilla scent. So I would program it to go off about 15 minutes before my alarm, and then that way when I woke up, I'm already in a good mood when I wake up. And there's 2 scents that you can put in it at a time. So I would have one for morning and for nighttime, something that will like wind me down at night. So this is a really cool, easy gift. Also great for somebody who has an apartment, maybe a small space where you want to get them a home related product, but you don't want something that's gonna be bulkier or take up a lot of space. This just plugs into the wall and it adds a lot of ambiance to their space. All right, so next up, I've heard nothing but good things about this product, and it's the Revlon Blow Dry Brush, specifically their 2.0 version. I've heard that the 2.0 version is much better than the original version. It's also a little bit of a smaller brush, so you can get different hairstyles with it. It's just under $50. I do love my Dyson, but I definitely don't think you need it. It's really expensive, and the brushes that I've had in the past that are more affordable definitely get the job done. So under $50, if you know somebody who does blow dry their hair every day, or that's kind of like their styling routine to like blow out their hair and wear their hair a little bit straighter with some volume, this will be the perfect gift that will save them time under $50. And it's one of those things that they can add to their routine like every day and kind of like make it part of a daily habit. So they're always going to think of you when they do their hair. And you could just kind of make their life a little bit easier with this hair dryer. Next up, if anybody loves fitness in your life, they will love this gift as well. This is something that is also on my Christmas wish list, and these are Bala bangles. They are weights that you could put on your ankles or on your wrists for working out, for basically doing anything in your life. They come in a bunch of different colors. They're super aesthetic as well. They look much prettier than your traditional weighted ankles. They come in 1 and 2 pound weights. I like to do the 2 pounds on my ankles, and I want to get both the 2 pounds for my ankles and the 1 pound for my wrist. I don't have Bala bangles, but I do go to Bala bangle workout classes a couple times a week. So I wear them all the time, and I love going to the workout classes where we can wear them. They just have them available at my gym. So I want to have them at home as well, especially in the winter time. I don't like going to the gym as much in the winter because I simply just don't like driving in the cold and leaving my house at night when it's dark and just driving in the cold and it gets rainy. So I would like to have these at home as well. I also plan on wearing these while I'm doing errands throughout the house and like cleaning, so I can kind of work out and clean at the same time if I'm doing like vacuuming and mopping and everything like that. It's just kind of like a multitasking product, or if I'm going out to walk the dog, I want to have these as well. So I love wearing these in my workout classes, and I definitely want them for home. All right, so next up, this would be perfect for anyone who works from home, and I specifically want this for my desk as well, and it is a candle warmer lamp. I've always seen candle warmers, just like a little hot plate for candle, so you don't actually have to light it. But this is a lamp, so it's gives you a little bit of light. It's dimmable, it's very aesthetic, and it's also a candle warmer as well. I feel like it just looks a lot more decorative and less practical than a traditional candle warmer. I love having candles on, and I put them on my desk, but I'm always paranoid with them because I have so many items on my desk at once. Like sometimes I'll have notebooks, magazines, papers, whatever. I'm like looking through food, napkins. I'll eat at my desk as well. So I want to avoid having flames on my desk and in my office. I prefer to just have them like in my kitchen and stuff for candles. So this is perfect for anywhere that you want to have a candle, but not necessarily have an open flame. And it also looks really pretty. I definitely want to get this, and it's just under $50. They have a ton of different styles on Amazon too. So I'll link a few below that are all like around the same price point, but this was my personal favorite. They also have some ones that look more modern too. Next, this is a product for any wine drinkers, and this is actually a product that I just recently discovered when putting together this gift guide, and it is a wine bottle chiller. So I've seen wine chillers that are just like a little vase that you stick your wine bottle in, but I've never seen this because it's basically like an insulated little thermos that you actually stick your wine in. You keep it in there while you pour it. You can take it on the go. So it's a lot more practical for, I think, any use compared to a wine chiller. I have a wine chiller that I used to use every now and then, like if I wanted to keep my wine on the living room table, like here while I'm watching a movie or something, and I don't want to go back and forth. But this just seems a lot more lightweight and practical. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It is about $90. It's also great if you're like having dinner outdoors, especially like in the summertime, if you want to keep a bottle of wine out on an outdoor patio, and it's really hot out. This seems very practical for that. Definitely check that out if you have people who drink wine, and all of these colors are so pretty, very aesthetic. I love all of them. They come in a lot of metallic shades and just like pastels, neutrals. And then my last item is gonna be a wireless charging pad from the brand Current. These retail for about $60. These are a great gift for also anyone who works from home or just anyone who wants another charger and wants something that is practical but aesthetic looking. A lot of wireless chargers just look really techy, and I really love these because they have like a leather look, a linen look. I want to get these for my desk because I don't like to have a lot of cables going on. You could charge your phone, your AirPods. I always struggle with only having one item at a time charged on my desk, so this can solve that problem while also matching your decor and not being chunky. It's very sleek and minimal. So that would be a great gift for basically anyone. All right, guys, so those are all of my Amazon top holiday gift recommendations for under $100. I hope you enjoyed this list. I hope you got some ideas from it. Everything that I mentioned will be listed below in my description box. I'll also link what I'm wearing. My earrings are also from Amazon. They would be perfect for a holiday party too. If you're interested, I'll link them below. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.